Alrighty guys, so I thought I might record this bit. I haven't put the camera on yet. We're just waiting to go out for the skip pan. This ends in, I think this one's just started, so it ends in a bit. But yeah, we'll see how the ute goes, and hopefully it goes really well. And there we go. I think they're coming off, so we'll see how we go. Alrighty guys, so we're just about to go out, have some more fun. Got my camera set up there. Gonna record a little bit. 2 other sessions alright. Train's just making, I don't know if you can hear that, bit of a noise. It was making a noise last event, so hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, I'll get some recording up top and we'll see how it goes this time. I spent out quite a lot of times the other two times I tested, but now we should be okay. 3rd time out, let's see how we go. So yeah, I have the camera up top recording. It only has 18 minutes left, so it's counting. So I don't know how much it's going to record of this run, but it's been bloody pouring down with rain, and I wish I did get more recording of me in the dry, but my camera didn't have much room left on it for recording, which is a bummer because I would have liked to record more of this, but I'll try and make this video as good as I can with the recording that I got. And yeah, we're going to get out there and have some fun and see how the ute goes again. So yeah, I got the camera up top. Hopefully it's not too fogged up or too wet. And yeah, we'll see how we go. Just got to wait for these guys to finish their session, and we'll be straight out with the ute. Alrighty guys, so far so good. I haven't done the camera recording because I only have 16 minutes. So this next one I'm gonna put the camera on for the next one. As bloody storm, there's thunder, lightning, bloody storm going crazy. But yeah, we put stockies on it because these ones have now got some meat on them, unlike those ones over there, which have no meat on them at all. But yeah, the car's definitely going quite dirty from drifting out there. It's bloody right here, black as. But yeah, it's been going quite well. Diff is boiling hot. We jacked it up with a jack that's a bit wet and it was just hissing its head off. So we're gonna let it cool down because for the skid pan thing. But yeah, the engine's been doing really good so far. Oh, there's a bit of lightning. But yeah, there's that thing there. We got one from 12:30 to 1. We're gonna sip that one and go from the 1:40 to 2. Yep. That's the thunder, right? So yeah, we'll see how the year goes. These are, instead of the 16s, in here, which I cannot see where a tire thing is on these. So yeah, there we go. The 215 60 16s. And these ones, I don't know where I'm looking. There we go. 195 65 15s. So this is gonna go way crazier with these on it. But yeah, now we'll get out of the rain and enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, that's it done for today. Got the rims in there, gotta get out of here, it's bad weather, but yeah, I'll see what I got from my recording, which is on there, still in the car. So, I'll see what I get, and see you guys maybe when I get home if I talk a bit more then. Alright, let's get out of here. This is crazy. You can see better on the camera than we can.